Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to delete your Instagram account using your phone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile. At the top of the screen, tap the three dots to open the menu. From there, select Account Center. Then scroll down and choose Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control, and you'll see the option for Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account and you'll be given two choices, deactivate or delete. If you just want to hide your account temporarily, choose Deactivate Account. If you want to remove it permanently, select Delete Account. For this example, I'm choosing to delete. Tap Continue, select a reason for deletion, then tap Continue a couple more times. Enter your Instagram password when asked. Tap Continue once again, and finally hit Delete Account. Your Instagram account will now be permanently deleted. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.